Hello, first graders. Today is Friday, August 28th, and I want to show you how to do your math assignments on Canvas for today. First of all, you need to log on to Canvas, click on the blue button for math, and that will bring you right here to your home page. On your home page, you will scroll down to the bottom and you will click the Enter Here circle. Now we're on the calendar page, so we will look for August 28th. August 28th is a watermelon, so when you get to your calendar page, look for the watermelon. Click on the green button. And these are your assignments for Lesson 1-8. All of these assignments in the box. So we'll start with the overview. Today's overview. Today you will complete Lesson 1-8. You'll do a solve and share. Try this, a visual learning bridge, convince me, practice, and math workshop. And click next. The very first thing we're going to do is a solve and share. You'll scroll down until you get to the virtual math classroom. You'll click the play button on the white screen. To make it bigger, you can click the box down here, or you can stretch your fingers out on the iPad to make it bigger as well. Once you've heard the solve and share, you'll use your math tools to solve it. There are also math tools here on your page to help you. A tens frame and counters, and connecting cubes. When you know the answer, you can go ahead and click Reply. And you'll put your answer in the box. When your answer's in the box, you can click Post Reply. And then it's time to move on. So let's click Next. Next, we're going to do a Try This. You can click the blue arrow to hear the question. There are 8 balloons. 3 of them are blue and the rest are yellow. How many balloons are yellow? You can use your math tools to solve this problem. Once you know the answer, you'll scroll to the bottom, you'll click Reply, and you'll put your answer in the box. When your answer is in the box, you'll click Post Reply and then Next, and we'll move on to the visual learning bridge. You'll scroll down to the virtual math classroom, and on the whiteboard is your visual learning bridge. You'll click on the play button, and to make it bigger, click down here or stretch your fingers out on the iPad screen. Listen to the visual learning bridge. When you're done, here's a review of the visual learning bridge. Then you'll click Next. The next section is Convince Me. To hear the question read aloud, you can click the blue box. Compare these equations. What do you notice about the numbers? What is different? What is the same? Look carefully at the numbers. How are they different? How are they the same? After comparing, share with somebody in your house or your stuffed animal. Then listen to the audio to check your answer. Then click Next. Now it's time for the practice. You can hear the instructions by clicking the blue box. These questions are designed to help you practice content learning during today's lesson. You can use tools or pictures to help you answer these questions. If you scroll down, you have your tens frame and counters. You have your connecting cubes. You also have your math tools at home. You'll click the blue Take the Quiz box underneath the manipulatives. All right, we'll scroll down to question number 1. If you would like to hear the question read aloud, you click the blue box. Nick has 8 toy cars. 3 cars are red. The rest are blue. How many cars are blue? So boys and girls, you're going to go ahead and use your tools to help you answer the question. When you know the answer to the question, you're going to look for the answer on the list. Choose the answer that matches your answer, click on it, then click Next. Now we'll scroll down to question 2. To hear the question, you can press the blue arrow. Jacob saw 8 birds. Some were black, 2 were red. How many birds were black? Use your math tools to help you solve the problem. When you're done, look for the answer that matches your answer. Click on it, and then click Next, and move on to question number 3. Scroll down to find question number 3. Click the blue box to hear question number 3 read aloud. There are 5 pieces of fruit in the basket. Some are bananas, 2 are apples. How many pieces of fruit are bananas? Use your tools to solve the problem, or draw a picture. When you're done solving, look for your answer on the list. When you found your answer, click on it, and then click Next to move on to question number 4. Scroll down to question number 4. You can hear it by clicking the arrow. Nikki and Lisa have 9 kittens. Nikki has 5 kittens. How many kittens does Lisa have? Which equation matches a story? Use your tools to solve the problem. When you're done, look for the answer on the list that matches your answer. Click on the answer that matches your answer, then click Next. We'll move on to the last question, question 5. Scroll down to find question 5. You can click the blue box to hear it read aloud. Jermaine has 7 sports balls. Some are soccer balls, 4 are basketballs. How many are soccer balls? So boys and girls, you'll get your tools out or you'll draw a picture to solve the problem. Look at the list for the answer that matches your answer you got. Click on it, and then it's time to submit your quiz. Now you can scroll down through your quiz and see which ones you got right and which ones you got wrong, and try to figure out the ones you got wrong. Try again. When you're done reviewing your quiz, you'll press Next. Now it's time for Math Workshop. Today you are in charge of completing pages 34, 35, and 36 in your math workbook. You also need to do Dreambox for 20 minutes, and you're going to do the fluency activity. You'll click on the word fluency and watch the video that's in here by clicking play. When you're done with all 3 activities in Math Workshop, you'll click Next. And on this page, you will submit workbook page 35. You can scroll down here and watch a video to help you submit the workbook pages. Or you can click the blue box and hear the directions. After completing workbook page 35, submit this page by following these steps. First, press the blue Submit Assignment button, then choose Camera. When the camera opens, take a picture of the page. Now click the blue Submit at the top of the box. You will know it is finished uploading when you see the confetti. When your page has been uploaded and you see the confetti, click Next. Congratulations, boys and girls, you completed your math task for today. You nailed it. Good job. Way to go.